So, one thing that I need help with is for you, as my previous students, to spread the word and become involved with feedback and creation. I'm also looking for these specific job roles to help streamline the process. And I'm also looking for you to enroll as well if you have children of your own, or if there's a curriculum or something geared toward that. This is going to be lifelong access for you for free. So imagine Miss Ruff. You know me now as Auntie Celestial. You had a auntie for a teacher. She looped up in life with you and created something special, and now it's your time to help contribute it. You have access to everything that I have access to. Do you know what I'm saying? And your thing is for me to give you what I have, you take it, create it, and we'll talk about how all that works. So to help me get organized, let's break down the specific actions and roles that I can focus on or that we can focus on to streamline the startup, as well as ways that you can engage and support and becoming part of the process. The first thing is to engage you to spread the word and support the startup. I need my alumni ambassadors, that's what I call you, to to basically be enthusiastic about this. You have a passion for vision. You act as an ambassador for the Key Learning Lab, and you can use your own network to promote your work, invite others to join, and provide testimonials. As far as action, you're going to set up an ambassador program where you're going to receive rewards or incentives like free access to the courses and materials that I have. That's a given. And you're also going to be referring new students to raise awareness about your work. And the message is to help spread the word about the Key Learning Lab as an ambassador. And of course, you get these exclusive benefits that help shape the future of learning. I need social media advocates, and your role is to engage the students who are actively on social media, who are active and be on. But I think it's to engage with you if you're active on social media and to share the work through posts and stories and videos. You all, I'm learning that this is important, but I'd rather hand it to someone who does this all day and you to get compensated for it. You're going to encourage and share your experience of like working with the Key Learning Lab and what you do, the value of the courses, and even like create some behind the scenes looks and branded hashtag Key Learning Lab. So you're going to share the journey with the Key Learning Lab and be a part of our growing community. And you'll be like, tag us, hashtag Key Learning Lab for a chance to be featured. The next thing I need to do is help with operations. So here are just like a few roles. You all, this is necessary, like a project coordinator, an operations manager. The purpose is to keep everything on track to ensure timelines are met for content creation, student management, and outreach activities. Your responsibilities are like to coordinate on project deadlines and milestones, organize tasks, handle all that scheduling, student communication, all that. The next is a community engagement specialist. This person will manage interactions with students, helping them feel supported and fostering a sense of community. The responsibilities are that you oversee communication in any online community, and you engage students and families by answering questions, facilitating discussions, and providing support when it's needed. And you're going to monitor this feedback and help incorporate it into our course development. The third role that I need is a content developer or an instructional designer. The purpose is that you can help develop the course content and your course content also and create instructional materials or support. And you're going to assist with writing and structuring lesson plans in any kind of educational materials, create and edit videos, optional learning resources, and just review this with clarity, accessibility, and engagement. The fourth role I need is a marketing assistant. Just marketing and assistant. You're going to focus on social media management, the email marketing, the content creation, and the spread of awareness about the Key Learning Lab. Of course, managing social media accounts, creating regular content, whether through posts, stories, or videos about upcoming events, new courses, student success stories. If you write blogs or newsletters, that offers value to potential customers and to keep current clients and students engaged. You're going to help run paid ads and promotional campaigns for the lab. The fifth role is an administrative assistant. You're going to take care of the back end administrative tasks and take time away from teaching and creative efforts. Handling emails, inquiries, student onboarding, managing scheduling, organizing course materials, and assisting with payments and financial record keeping. The sixth role is grant writer or funding coordinator. Of course, the purpose of this role is to secure funding for the startup, whether it's GoFundMe, grants, campaigns, or sponsorships. Or you just want to give me your money. Just no. And your responsibilities are basically to research and identify relevant grants that fit the mission. Educational grants or funding for new businesses. There's so much out there. You're going to write compelling grant proposals and applications, and I have some templates for you to already just plug and play. And you're going to help set up this funding campaign that is a continuous support, but especially for this startup. I'm going to encourage you all to stay in touch. Stay in touch, whether you decide one of these roles are for you or not. And also, I believe that more than one person can fit these roles because I do believe in working groups of threes, like for each role, 3 people, because a team of 3 doing one role is more efficient to me and effective. I mean, it can be, but we're going to talk about that. That's why we got this. We're going to do this, and we're going to do it right and do it with excellence. But have fun. It's all about fun. Y'all know that. We got to have fun. All right. And that's it for this video.